guys, thanks for joining me today for this quick and easy craft. I saw this in Branson and I thought I can make that, so let's see if I can. I bought 2 Santa heads from Dollar Tree and some of this iridescent tinsel yarn from Walmart. Now, they may have it at Dollar Tree, but I really wanted the iridescent for this particular craft. So, you're going to take 1 head and you're going to cut as long as you want his beard to be, tinsel strips. Okay, I cut 6 12-inch strips, and I left his beard that was already on here from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to add them and see how they fit. I think this will be good. But they hang down really low. And these sold for around $20 in Branson. And I just think, well, we could make that. And we wouldn't have to spend 20 bucks. And it's just so pretty and a different look. And then you could hang these on your tree for a long ornament, you know, to add a different look to your tree, if you like it. And I think it's really cute, and it adds that sparkle from the garland onto from the lights on your tree. So, here we go. This is the last one I chose. And 6 works just fine. And then you have a really long Santa beard. And it's so cute. So, let me know if you try it. I think it's adorable. Just however much you want to spend. You could use white garland if you wanted to also. Alright, we're going to do this again. Just thought I would show it again. 1 Santa from Dollar Tree. $1.25. 12-inch strips of iridescent tinsel garland. This I got at Walmart, but you could get it anywhere that has it, or you could use white if you wanted to. Right, your glue gun. And then just add glue to the beard in different places. I wouldn't cut off the white that's already there. And just add the garland. Really easy. And it looks stunning, honestly, on your tree. So, just gonna put that on. Remember, glue is hot. Just add it to the next part here. It sticks really easily. Doesn't take but a minute. And hanging on the tree. They look amazing. And one more. So I would use 5 or 6, depending on how full you want his beard to be. And there you go. It's really pretty. And I hung it on my tree. My tree's not decorated yet, but you can see. So, awesome sauce. Hope you enjoyed it.